Hello everyone! In this video, we're going to talk about the equation of vertical and horizontal lines, as well as the slope of vertical and horizontal lines. They're sort of the special cases of linear functions. Let's talk about vertical lines first. A vertical line is one that goes up and down, and its equation is odd. It's written in the form of x equals a number, where the number is the x-intercept on the line. So let's think this through. I've put a dot on the x-intercept. That is the point over 3 up 0. If you randomly select another point on that line, we'll count out the points here. This is an x value of 3, a y value of 4, so 3, 4. Or even if we go negative, that's still an x value of 3, but this time the y value is negative 2. So the thing that's consistent here is that the x value is equal to 3. It does not matter what the y value is. The x value remains a positive 3. So therefore, the equation of this line is that x is always equal to 3. Similarly, horizontal lines are a bit special. Okay. A horizontal line is always written in the form of y equals a number, where the a value in this formula is the y-intercept. So let's take a look over here. The y-intercept is the point over 0, down 1, so 0, negative 1. If you select a random set of points, here I've selected positive 5 for the x, negative 1 for the y. Or even on the left side, negative 3 for the x, negative 1 for the y. The part that's consistent here is the y value. Every y value is a negative 1. This helps us understand that the equation of this line is y equals negative 1. Let's also relate this to slope. The slope of a vertical line is undefined. And that is because it has an infinite rise but no run. So our undefined slopes are x equals equations. On the horizontal line, our slope is 0. That is because there's 0 rise but an infinite run. So a lot of times people remember this with these silly little acronyms, VUX, meaning vertical lines have undefined slope and x equal equations, and HOI. Horizontal lines have 0 slope and y equals equations. Let me write that out. Vertical lines have an undefined slope and x equal a number as the equation, versus horizontal lines have a 0 slope and y equals the number equations. Maybe that's a good way for you to keep that organized. All right, let's run through a few quick examples here. Each of our examples is either a vertical line or a horizontal line. If it's a vertical line, it will be going through the x-axis. So it will be an x equals equation, and you need to count out the x-intercept. This is the point, negative 2, 0. So our value is x equals negative 2. Example 2 is a horizontal line that cuts through the y-axis. This y-intercept is the point over 0 up 3, which tells us our equation is y equals positive 3. And our final example to do together in number 3 is a horizontal line cutting through the y-axis. The intercept is over 0, down 5, so 0, negative 5, which makes our equation y equals negative 5. Keep practicing and happy studying.